The first thing I like about this thing is when you do this, you can actually make a thing pop out like that. The second thing is that if you pull this thing, if there's a bullet in there, you can actually press this one, not this one. Put down suits, I think out this one to fire it. Like that. That's how you do it. The third thing that I like about this is that there's a strap under this, so in case you drop it like that, it does not fall because your hand's holding it, and the strap is under it, so it won't fall. And please leave a like or subscribe. Thank you. Bye.